Hey guys, welcome back. If you've been trying to lose weight but nothing seems to work, no matter how many diets or hours you spend at the gym, then stop scrolling and pay close attention. Because today, I'm going to share something that could finally change the game for you. My name is Anna, and in this video, I'll be giving you the complete and honest review of Mitolyn. By the end, you'll know whether it really works, what's inside, how to use it, possible side effects, and most importantly, some critical warnings you need to hear before buying it. So stick with me until the very end, because the last tips I'm about to share could save you money, time, and even protect your health. Alright, so what exactly is Mitolyn? It's a 100% natural dietary supplement designed to support weight loss and boost mitochondrial health. Unlike most miracle products out there, Mitolyn is free from toxins, chemicals, or stimulants, making it completely safe with no side effects. The formula is a unique blend of powerful plant extracts, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, maqui berry, packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells. Rhodiola rosea, improves focus, reduces stress, and helps your body handle fatigue. Schisandra chinensis, boosts metabolism and mitochondrial function, making it easier to burn calories even at rest. Together, these ingredients work to speed up fat burning, reduce appetite, and give you long-lasting energy throughout the day. Mitolyn is made in the USA, inside an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. That means the highest safety and quality standards, so you can trust what you're putting into your body. But listen carefully. Mitolyn is only sold through the official website. Unfortunately, there are fake versions being sold elsewhere that can put your health at risk. To stay safe, I'll leave the official link right here in the description. It'll be the very first one you see. Now, let's talk results. Mitolyn is not a magic pill. It's a natural treatment. Results take consistency and time. Most people start noticing changes in the first few weeks, but the real transformations come after 3 to 6 months of daily use. The recommended dose: just 1 capsule a day after your main meal. Stay consistent, and you'll start seeing your clothes fit better, your energy go up, and your body finally responding the way you want. What I personally love is that Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free for 3 months. If you don't see results, you get every penny back, no questions asked. So if you've been frustrated with weight loss and nothing seems to work, Mitolyn could be exactly what you've been waiting for. Check out the official link in the description and take the first step toward your transformation today. If this review helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and share this video with someone who might need it. Good luck on your journey, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.